Hi everyone. I got a tremendous feedback for my smart study video that lot of students are messaged, sir, that video is helped a lot for their examination. They scored well. So I just plan to do a one more video for this upcoming July 2021 CMA exam for inter and also for final. For intermediate, I am starting with the paper 8, cost accounting. In first group, you have 4 papers. That paper 8, cost accounting, we will see what smart study you should follow. From my personal view, you have to focus on some chapters. Question will come from that chapter definitely, because previous trend shows that. So you have to focus on these chapters. You can see in the screen that I created a PDF file for that. I will put the link in the description. You can download it from there. Firstly, you have to focus on study note 1 because it's a theory study note. It's a theory chapter. You know, in our syllabus, 25 mark MCQ, fill in the blanks, match the following true or false questions are there. So for 10 mark questions will be from this chapter. 10 mark question will come from this study note 1, that is introduction to cost accounting. So you have to focus this chapter and study thoroughly and do all the questions from RTP, MTP, study material, because it's a very easy chapter. It's fully theory. You can easily study and easily score 10 mark from this study note only. Then you have to focus on study note 3, that is cost accounting standards. Especially you should study the names of the standards. Cost accounting standard 1, which is the cost accounting standard 1, that name. Cost accounting standard 2, 3, 4, 24 cost accounting standards are there. You have to focus on the names of the cost accounting standards, because MCQ will ask, fill in the blanks will ask, match the following will ask. So 4 to 5 marks you will get from studying these small unit. Study note 3. Then after that you have to focus on method of costing. Study note 4, method of costing. In that there are a lot of chapters. You have to focus on operating costing. Questions are repeatedly asking from that chapter. So firstly, study note 1 theory, study note 3, it's also 3 theory. Then study note 4, especially operating costing, it's a problem. Then after that you have to focus and study note 6, that is cost accounting techniques. In every exam, institute will ask a question from marginal costing, standard costing and budget. There are 3 chapters, there are 3 units in study note 6. You have to study that 3 units compulsorily. You can score 8, 8, 8. 8 from standard costing, 8 from marginal costing, 8 from budget and budgetary control. So 24 mark questions will be there from study note 6. So from study note 1 you will get 10 marks approximately. From study note 3 you will get 4 to 5 marks. Then 10 plus 4, 14 marks. Then study note 4 from operating costing, if the question come, you will get 8 marks, that is 14 plus 8, 22. Then from cost accounting techniques, there are 3 chapters, marginal costing, standard costing and budget and budgetary control. You will get 8, 8, 8, that is 24. So total 22 plus 24, 46 mark you will get from studying only these chapters. And one more request, after this you should focus the chapter overhead. 8 mark question will come. If question asked, that question will be for 8 mark. So from focusing on these chapters, you will easily get 50, around 50 marks. I'm not saying don't study other chapters. I'm saying focus these chapters first, you will get 50 marks. After this, if time permit, study other chapters also, you will easily get exemption. Okay, follow this and study well. All the best for your exams. Thank you.